Oh, bakit mo, baby?
Jellyfish.
Ang ganda.
Good morning, millennials! It's our day 4 in Siargao and we're going to Sohoton! Nasundo kami around 7:30 in the morning and on the way na kami sa port.
Hello.
After almost an hour, andito na kami sa Dapa Port para sumakay ng bangka. Sabi ni Kuya, 2 hours pa raw tong biyahe papunta sa Bukas Grande Island. So, nag-book kami ng Sohoton tour for only 2,499 per person and included na lahat ng transfers and lunch and lahat ng tours.
Top 1 of the best remote lagoons in the Philippines. Magbaban pa, grabe. Nag-multicab, nagbangka, tas magbaban pa.
Before sumakay ng van, pinag-register muna kami dito sa tourism office and may patinapay at iced tea rin silang pa-welcome sa mga turista. Nag-rent din kami ng snorkel dito for 200 pesos.
Van ipa. Dito po.
Dito tayo sa.
Dito na kami sa resort. Malapit lang pala siya, like mga 10 to 15 minutes. And dito na daw magsistart yung tour namin. And dito din daw makikita yung mahabang slide.
Okay ka lang? Bed? Okay ka lang?
Okay lang.
May? Oh, okay. Sige, gusto mo try? Parang ang taas naman ng latandingan mo.
So we're here at Dagatan Bay Resort. So here in Dagatan, the water here is brackish water. It means fresh and salt water. So no worries, hindi tayo maasim. Kasi fresh yung sa itaas. Then after this, ma'am sir, yes. After this, we're going to transfer another small boat. The capacity of boat is only for 6 persons. This is the sign of Sohoton, ma'am sir. Sohoton is the only one in Planet Z, and this is the 3 major attraction of Sohoton. So, Sohoton, it means go under. So, papasok tayo sa mga kuweba to go under. Then, this is the 3 major attraction of Sohoton, which is the non-stick jellyfish, Magpupuo, which is the cliff diving, Hagupan, which is the snoring cave. Yes. So, you can see both of the jellyfish there. You can also swim all the jellyfish there. You can touch it also, but after you touch the jellyfish, don't you ever touch your face because our face is very beautiful. Yeah. Aside from beautiful, it's very sensitive. That's why we require you to wear snorkel to prevent itchiness. Then the second one is Magpukob also. So Magpukob also, it's a cave. So inside the cave, you can also walk there. And also inside the cave, we have called rock climbing. And the only way to exit is you need to jump at cliff diving. Yes. No worries if you're scared to jump at the boat. You have 2 tour guides and 1 boat operator. The 1 tour guide upstairs will push you. And the 1 tour guide downstairs will catch you and bring you home. Okay? That's a skinny monster. So the third is Hagukan, which is the snoring cave. And also the exciting part of this cave is the green luminous water. Yeah. Water, yes. If you have white skin, it makes brighter in the cave. If you have black skin, it makes white. Don't speak too much. Then the duration time of your tour inside the Sohoton, it takes about 1 to 2 hours. Then after that, you're going back here. And this is the Dagatan where our lands is located po. It's a burro fight. Here, yes, in Dagatan. So, after your lunch, you can go also enjoy the activity here. We also have water slide. The longest slide in Siargao, which is dito lang po makikita. We also have diving board. kayaking for only 250 pesos only. So everyone, are you get ready, get set, go?
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot hear you.
Go, go,
Are
go.
you get ready, get set, go?
Go, go!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Okay, everyone, prepare yourself and shake yourself. Yes. Because you're about to witness the beauty of Sokoton. Because here, you can find peace and serenity of the mind, tranquility of the soul, and simplicity of the heart. And I thank you. Yes.
While waiting for the boats na magsusundo at magtutour sa amin kasi may nauna sa aming group, tour muna tayo dito sa resort. So, ito yung diving board nila. May 2 floors. Yan, dyan mas mababa. Then, tignan natin tong mas mataas. Yan. Ay, may nauna na sa atin. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang feet yan. Pero, ito yung view dito sa resort. Wow, ang taas. Kakahaba. Pero maganda siya, guys. Ayan yung slide na super haba. Pwede ka rin mag-swim dyan kasi nga fresh water sa ibabaw. Tapos mix daw siya sa ilalim is salt water. May mga floating kubo din.
Sarap tumalon ah.
Yung mahaba slide. Let's go back. May mga bilihan din ng food dito, guys, if nagutom, ganyan. Kasi if hindi ka pa din nakaka-rent ng snorkel, may snorkel rental din sila, although mas mahal na.
How's your turon, baby? Sarap? You're welcome.
While waiting for the first group, yung tour guide namin decided na mag-lunch muna kami kaysa naghihintay na walang ginagawa para daw pagdating nila is nakakain na kami and after mag-enjoy na lang sa resort. Ayan. So, ito yung boodle fight namin. Super daming mangga and ang daming mga seafood. Ayan. Perfect. Nakalagay sa hoton.
Ganda ng view namin. Gagaling na yan. Baka nag-swollen lang yung ano mo. Eardrum. Kasi kung pumutok yan.
Mo i-video.
Kung pumutok yan, dumudugo na sana yung tenga mo.
I'm Asil. Asil, mom. My partner, Mr. John Ray. I'm with Mr. Wiwib. So, from here to Sohoton, we have 5 minutes before to going to the entrance. We need to take picture, please. Take a photo. Okay, ma'am, sir. This is the entrance and this hotel book. If you want to enter the inside of the hotel, this only exit. The only entrance. We need to go inside. Please, turn your head.
Watch your head. Oh my god. So dark.
This is the landmark of Sohoton Cove, like the whole spot and horse team. So, pwede ito naman, ma'am, i-background, picture natin. Yung horse.
Kayo, tanggalin mo yung labis. Baka sumisid po kayo. Tanggalin mo ng labis pag sumisid.
Ako magsisisid.
Ma'am, dito tayo, ma'am.
Oh, pakita mo, baby.
Jellyfish.
Iwag mo siya masyadong itaas sa tubig, mamamatay.
Ayan. Ayan siya.
Wow!
Pwede siyang hawakan, pero after daw hawakan, maghugas daw dapat ng kamay.
Yeah, wag i-touch sa
Yeah,
face.
wag
Hala,
touch.
naggirab ako ng mata. Okay lang kaya yan?
Oo. Balik natin. Pabalik mo na kaya, Beb. Hindi nahulog.
Babe, wag ka mauna sa guide.
Okay na. Sir, huwag kang mag-ano dyan kasi matalim yan. Okay, let's go. Dito lang tayo.
Maglamig na.
Hello, what's your name? Welcome to my home, guys. Ulo sir ha, ulo. Oh, ingatan ko talaga to kasi ito yung mga taong nagbigay sa amin ng mga kasiyahan. Okay. Dito kayo banda ma'am, dito. Dito kayo. Kasi maganda. Sir. Yan. It's okay.
Yeah. Ang ganda sa loob, oh. Hindi kami sa cave.
Sabi ng bioluminescent.
Oh.
Nakaka-touch ka na sa ground.
Yan. Grabe, ang ganda, babe.
Natulog siya sa stalactites.
Kunin mo yung mga recognition sa taas. Mayroong parang ice cream. Yan. Mayroong din parang ahas.
Asan yung ahas, kuya?
Ito.
Okay.
Yan. Mayroong ding puso.
Puso ng saging.
Yes.
Kuha ko agad yung joke mo, kuya. Yan. Floating ka, babe, para makita mo yung taas. Ang ganda. So perfect. Doon tayo sa kabila, babe, mag-picture sila.
Ay, sige. Doon tayo sa kabila. Babe, madilim na dyan. Babe, halika na. Ha?
Alam mo kung nasan tayo ngayon?
Sa ano? Sa cave?
Bukas Grande.
Oo.
Taga dito si Ariana Grande.
Ah.
Walay ba? Walay?
Hindi naman.
Pizza.
Ma'am tuloy. Babe, dyan na lang. Halika. Ay, hindi yan. Halika na.
Malamig dito, no?
Ang init dito.
Malamig dito.
Okay lang, dito na. Isa right ulit.
Wala akong card din. Ano, baby?
Maganda sa loob.
Maganda sa loob. Happy ka?
Wait, so ang dala lang natin, snorkel, tumbler.
Tumbler. Happy?
And Andito na kami sa Magkukuob and papasok daw dyan yung daan sa rock climbing for cliff jumping. Sabi ni Kuya Azil, iwan na raw tong cam kasi hindi naman namin mahahawakan at hindi rin daw kami mavivideohan for our own safety. Videohan na lang daw kami sa pag-jump later.
Nalabutan ka naman.
Nalagay tingnan mo ulit.
Ha? Kapag nga gumagano ako, mas nagiging nare-relieve siya eh. Pag matagal ako nasa lupa, nagiging mermaid na ata.
Pero nag-okay konti.
Ha?
Nag-okay konti? Tama?
Yeah. Back na guys dito sa jump off point na resort. Ay, mas mataas na ang jumping mo, babe. Hala, oo nga, ang taas na nang babagsakan mo sa slide. Wala, sabi mo eh. Woo! Boom! Saya? Ina-video, babe.
Hindi nga.
Isa pa. Isa pa.
Hindi nga.
Oo.
Pati nga.
Ito pa lang, oh. Nagbi-video pa lang.
Ah.
Oh. Isa pa. Kaya pa isa?
Wait lang, napagod ako.
Kaya mo yan. Joke lang, na-video ka din.
Pati nga.
This is here in Bocas Grande. We are very thank you so much. Also, John Crowden Travels and Tour, we would like to say thank you so much for choosing Sohoton. So I know, please spread the humors, naganagadjud ang Sohoton, and please pakiko na lang. Paki-encourage na lang sa inyong friend, neighbor, families na mag-ari sa Sohoton kay Morgis, happy tour guide. So, once again, my name is Bubbles. Yes, because here in Sohoton, no more sad song, just be happy. Because if you're happy and you know you clap your hands. If you're happy and you know you clap your hands.
Tapos na po lahat ng tours namin.
Uwi na kami
Ang
bukas.
sakit ng katawan ko. Ang sakit din ng tenga ko. Anong favorite mong spot na napuntahan natin?
Ito. Tapos
Sa
pangalawa yung cave ba yun?
Yung Tayangban.
Oo.
Ano pangatlo? Bakit ako?
Ano na yung pangatlo ko? Sugba.
Oh, Sugba.
Mm.
Yun yung top 3 mo.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Babalik?
Babalik.
Yeah.
Yung pagbabalik yung package B naman yung kung natin.
Ay,
Oo, kasi hindi namin napunta.
Package B yung tawag niya sa Northern Land Tour. Mga Pacifico, ganyan. Sige.
Yung same na banta nila doon?
Next year?
Next year, doon na tayo magsasurf din.
Si Mano?
Okay.
Ano pong tawag dyan, Nay? Ano pong tawag?
Salbaro.
Salbaro. Wow.
Gawa to sa kamuting kahoy.
Ah.
Wow, my favorite! Cassava!
Oh, nice.
Paano po siya napapakrunchy? Binibake niyo po or pinibili?
Eh, ginigiling yata nila to eh. Binibili lang namin to.
Oh.
Sa taga Sukuro. Area na Sukuro. Kami na lang ang nagpipirito.
Oh, okay po. Wow.
Harap.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Salamat din.
How was it?
Harap.
Kain ka?
Hanapin natin si Kuya.
Lasa niya parang cereal.
Yeah.
Di ba? Let's go.
For our first hour of the night, metal music is something from Picture Mga Prize or the MYMC love that. It's called My People.
Babe.
I do that. There's no ladies and the girls who want hair, sa mga baby girls.
Sakit to. Sarap.
Sarap.
Sulit no, kahit na mura.
Pagdalagin na po ang
Yeah.
solid bus ng matamahan namin. Yeah!
Wow, yummy.
What have I done? There was this gift that life to one. It's that she love leads me from love. You want tonight? Everybody are so lovely. You guys are so pretty lovely tonight.
Let's look for souvenirs. Ref magnet by 1 for 85, buy 6 get 1. Is this supposed to be a surfboard?
Oh, surfboard.
Okay. Eh, yun ni Mama yung ganito. Gusto niya yung makapit ang magnet. Tara, tingin tayo sa iba.
Diba naman?
Hindi pasado sa panlasa. Try. Next stop.
Diba?
O yan, gusto yan ni Mama.
Pero pila ko ng mga.
Maganda yung may nagsisurf.
Tatatawa.
Ito. Ito. Or yan, ito. Walang wave. Ito.
Sagot na.
May bili na kami ng ref magnet and some keychain. Bote.
Last day today!
Oh wow! Parang hindi mo din masyado nag-rise yung sun. Na-videohan mo yung mga rates?
Hindi pa.
Sabi
Hindi.
nung kuya, no stand-up, no pay daw. Kung hindi ka nakatayo, hindi ka magbabayad nung surfing lesson. Tsaka yung surf. O, di ba? Grabe yung assurance. Sana all.
Tingnan mo, ganda oh. Welcome to Cloud9. Ito pala yun.
Yeah. Bigyan lang natin darling kasi nag-invite ko kuya.
Hindi kayo mag-shopping.
Hindi po.
Island kayo?
Opo. Ang ganda. Picture nga kita ganyan. Sige, naglalakad ka kasi sakto yung sunset. Ay, sunrise pala. Hindi gitna ka pa, babe. Ganyan ka lang.
Kulang pala yung 5 days, 4 nights. It's okay.
Yun lang.
Yeah, next time. Another reason to go back. Di pa kami nag-surf, so babalik kami.
Yeah, tapos kunin namin yung package. Package B.
Package B, yung North Tour.
North Tour.
Oh, sige.
Okay.
Punta tayo doon.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Gakaw. Thank you. See you again soon. Hello po. Good
Morning
morning
po.
Ito yung rates din.
Sir. Opo, balik po.
Balik po kami, kuya. Mag-hi ka, kuya, sa vlog.
Hi ma'am, good morning.
Ano pong
Welcome to
surf niyo?
Cloud9.
Ano pong pangalan ng surf shop?
Sunny Surf Shop, ma'am, kung gusto niyo mag-surf.
Sige.
Balik lang kayo, okay?
Okay po, thank you po.
Okay, ma'am.
Report natin.
Airport na. You're at the airport.